Yes, so now we are at the place in writing project number one where we come to part four. Step back, step up, step in. So this is a super important belief of mine as an educator and as a fellow learner. Being clear as to our target, being highly clear as to our goal, being grounded in reality is how we make effective and efficient progress. Making effective and efficient progress depends upon being extremely clear, being grounded in reality as to what one is up to. And so, what I do for this piece of the module is I say, hey, let's step back and say, okay, I've gone through, about like 3 to 4 different activities. What have I been up to in all of this process work? And all this process work that is leading up to this end of module project. And can I synthesize that into a few sentences and let Mr. Z know how I am synthesizing all of this work into a few sentences and get his feedback? Because if I am sailing in one direction and I believe that I am on course, I want Mr. Z to say, that's right, you are sailing towards the right destination, keep on going. But if I'm not, if I'm slightly off, if I write to Mr. Z, this is what we've been up to, and this is what, it's all sort of leading toward, and if that misrepresents what it is, well, that would be that would be really valuable to know. And so that is why at certain stages of any endeavor, any multi-step endeavor, we want to pause, step back, step up, get a look around, even look back behind us, see some of the ground that we've covered, and then step back in with confidence that we are going in the right direction. And what I'll do is I will give you feedback on your check-in, on the way that you described the writing assignment that we are working on. Now, again, it's like, well, Mr. Z, what am I supposed to write? I get what you're saying, but like, what am I supposed to write? Hey, it's right here. If someone asked you to describe the paper that you are being assigned for this writing project, how would you answer? If someone asked you to describe the type of paper that Mr. Z assigned for this writing project, how would you answer?